Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Ecom Site Design. So if you don't know what this site is, it's basically a site that helps you design a website with your domain and just like any other site that helps you create websites. But before we get into the details, I get hundreds of requests to check out products daily, and my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. So the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's actually go to Trustpilot here and see the reviews of ecomsites.com. And actually, they are rated 4.3 out of 5 stars, which is excellent here at Trustpilot with 62 reviews. So let's read some reviews here. So everybody working together to give great results and great support 24/7. Wanted to change my domain. They emailed me a quick set of steps with screenshots, fixed the issue in 5 minutes, which is pretty great. First cha-ching came through, blah blah blah. After took a screenshot, can't lie, felt pretty good. Checkout was simple, one payment, done, no weird add-ons popping up all over the place. Didn't spend the usual hour scrolling on AliExpress for pics. I'm terrible with tech, their video literally said click here, and my first product had ad running in about an hour, which is pretty good actually. Sent a late night email asking how, so they have great customer service. And they have great tools to help you build a website. So this website seems pretty legit. And as you can see also right here, this is a proof of their good customer service, since they are also replying with 1-star reviews here on Trustpilot, helping people about their problem. And yeah, if you want to go ahead and check this website out, I suggest you can. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.